Hey everyone, it's InvestorZilla here. I want to take a look at Shift, ticker symbol SFT. It has consistently fallen over the last month, and I want to try to understand why. If you want a more in-depth analysis, check out the video on my channel where I dig into the stock, the company, the leadership team, and the financials. Now, the only thing worse than Shift consistently falling over the last month is the fact that you haven't hit the like button yet. If you could take a quick second and hit that for me, I'd really appreciate it. Now, looking at the stock, as of April 17th, it's currently at $7.61. This graph is intense, but overall, you can see it's just been a downward trend since its all-time high. Now, the 52-week low is $6.40 back in late 2020. Now, are we going to see those lows at this level again? I have really no idea. It almost feels like every time the stock does anything and gets any gains, they are quickly lost in the next couple days. Let's look at my positions. On the left, you can see overall I have currently 570 shares in Robinhood with a value of $4,337.70. Now, I am down over 10% on these positions. I also have two call options on Robinhood as well, currently valued at $253. I am down 62% on these contracts. I do also want to call out the fact that SFT is a very small position in my overall portfolio. It does make up 17% of my Robinhood account, but overall it's still less than 1%. As you can see though, I've been buying on the way down as well. I picked up 50 shares at $8.15 on April 13th and another 100 shares yesterday actually at $7.68. Why is it dropping? Well, let's look at the news on Webull. There's literally nothing on the news. So no negative news, but also no positive news. Nothing has changed with this company. So why is it falling? Is it the car market? Let's look at other car companies to see if they are struggling. Well, here's Carvana. It's doing fine. It's got peaks and valleys, but overall compared to the Shift, it's a night and day difference. Carvana isn't at all-time high for the 52 weeks, but it's also not that far from it. The truth is, Shift just is not favored by Wall Street right now. I think a lot of this has to do with the hate around SPACs. That's my real reason for why I think this stock is going down. There have just been way too many SPACs over the last 6 months. All the SPACs I follow have been beaten down pretty dang hard. Now, don't get me wrong, there's probably some out there that are doing well, but I just don't know of any. And honestly, I don't think right now Wall Street knows what to do with all the SPACs on the market. Because fundamentals for this company haven't changed. Nothing is different with this company. When I bought this company at $9.50, nothing is different from then to now. What am I doing? Well, I am buying more. And you can see that I did that, last week alone, I bought 150 shares. I really, truly believe this will be one of those stocks that I look back at and wish I had bought even more. I'm thinking about moving my 570 shares closer to 1,000 if the price continues to drop. I'm also watching the news, and especially the used car market. Is there something happening out there that I don't yet see? Now, I'm not selling, but if I see a shift in the car market that looks negative, then maybe I'll slow down my buying. Finally, though, I'm really considering buying more call options. A few more $10 strike prices, and maybe even a few lower than that, like $9 sounds amazing. I love beaten down companies. And this is a incredibly beaten down company. And it can be scary seeing red every day. Now, I could be wrong about Shift, but everything I see tells me that this company should be 2 times the value that it is today, if not more. It's just a matter of time, in my opinion, before Wall Street gets past this SPAC hate and sees Shift in a positive light. Okay, that'll do it for today. But with that said, why do you think Shift is dropping? Am I right? Is it just caught up in the hate for SPACs? And as always, invest safely and see you next time.